Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be unboxing the Supreme Sound Ink by Skullcandy earphones. So let's begin. So as you can see here, the microphone can operate many functions such as answering and ending calls, play and pause tracks, skip to the next track, and go back to the previous track depending on the number of clicks. To answer and end a call, you have to click once. To play and pause, you have to click once. Next track, you click it twice, and to move to the previous track, you have to click it thrice. So it's smartphone compatible, and it has one microphone. See here, these are the headphones. They look really sleek and cool. They come with these extra earbuds. I think this one over here. Oh, okay. So they come with these extra earbuds depending on this sizing. They look pretty cool. It has the Supreme Sound Ink by Skullcandy, like the front box cover, and these are the headphones. They look pretty cool. So as you can see here, there are small details like the skull logo over here, and over here. Over here near the mic, it says Skullcandy, as you can see here. So it's got a skull over here also. It has an audio jack with the skull logo over here, and yeah, that's it. So that's all comes with this box, other than this small paperwork that you can actually see from outside the box. And there's this cool sort of drawings over here. So I hope you like this unboxing video, and please subscribe, smash the like button, and share this video. I'll be back soon with more videos. Thanks. Bye.